Everyone wants to save on their car insurance. In this market, it's really, really tough. In 2023, every insurance company are raising their car insurance rates. Main reason, we don't have to get too deep into it, insurance companies, believe it or not, are losing money, and they've been losing a lot of money. Hopefully 2023 is much better. This year, not off to a great start, to be completely honest, but we want insurance companies to make money. When insurance companies make money, rates can stay stable. They can possibly go down a little bit, but when they make money, when they lose money, they are going to raise rates. All of them are the same. That's just like any other business. If they're losing money, they have to raise their prices or they're going to go out of business. Look at home insurance market in Florida, perfect example. It is almost impossible to make money in the state of Florida in the property market, in the home insurance market. So there's basically no insurance companies that are there. There's basically a state-sponsored program, and that's all they have. So many issues in Florida, we don't have time to get into all that. Car insurance market, I mean, there is hope. If you want to save money in 2023, the best way is to use the car insurance company Telematics program. If you haven't heard of it, the Telematics program, the most common is, say, with Progressive. They have what is the Snapshot program. That's the one that's probably publicized the most. The Snapshot program, a Telematics program, is a driving monitor program. You download an app on your phone and it will monitor your driving habits. Now, what it looks for are excessive speeding, hard stops, time of day that you're driving, and I believe it's mileage. Some use mileage. Different companies use different metrics, different measurements. Now with Progressive, you can get up to 30% off of your car insurance rates. And what you do is you are monitored for, it is 90 days, and then once you have that discount, it stays on for the life of the policy. Now, you can get up to 30% off with most companies. With Nationwide, it's actually 40%, but you have to be careful because with some of these programs, two of them specifically, Progressive and Travelers, your rate can actually go up. So if you have to be a pretty bad driver for your rate to go up. But you don't have to worry about that because everybody says that they are a good driver. I've run into one person in my lifetime that says I'm a bad driver. Everybody thinks they're a good driver, so I don't know why you wouldn't want to try this program. But with Progressive and Travelers, your rate can go up to an additional 30%. The national average is of all the data that's collected is 14% off your car insurance rate. So for this year and going forward, this is the rating metric of the future, by the way, for car insurance. All the newer cars are already collecting this data. So it's already in. Basically from about 2015 and newer, there's what's known as a black box, just like an airplane black box, that is collecting this data. Insurance companies, of course, want to get their hands on it, but we'll say 5, maybe 10 years from now, this is how we're going to be rated, which is how we should be rated, which is our driving behavior. So if you're driving too fast, if you're stopping too fast, that's obviously a measurement of rear end accidents. Time of day that you're driving, a lot of, if you're driving at 2 a.m, probably more risky behavior. It's unfair to say are people that work second, third shift because that's the time of day that they drive. And mileage, obviously, the more that you're on the road, the more likely that you're going to have cause an accident or be involved in an accident and cause a loss to the insurance company. So if you believe you're a good driver, try this out. Ask your almost every insurance, not every insurance company has this, almost everyone. Ask your insurance representative, It's worth taking a look at it. It's worth getting an additional 15% off of your car insurance. It'd be really worth an additional 30%, specifically if you have young drivers. This is a good way to monitor their driving habits. And I'm sorry, but driving is a privilege. And for a lot of the 16, 17-year-olds that think they know everything, and then they go out there, drive like maniacs in the high school parking lot, this is a good way to monitor their driving behavior. And it's also a way to track them if you really want to. So check it out. Ask your insurance representative about the Telematics program, and you might be able to save, who knows, maybe you save 5%. It's still worth it, but this is the best way to save money on your car insurance in 2023.